Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, in this video we are going to discuss about enzyme inhibitors. We will discuss what are the enzyme inhibitors, what are the different type of the enzyme inhibitors. Let us first see the inhibitors. Inhibitor is a substance which can react with the enzyme but not transform a product. We know normally a substrate react with the active site of the enzyme and transform itself into a product. But in case of inhibition, inhibitor react with the active site of the enzyme in place of a substrate and not transformed it into a product. It blocks the active site temporarily or permanently. There are two types of the inhibitors, reversible and irreversible. In this video, we will discuss about both these types of the inhibitor. We know that when a substrate reacts with the active site, it transforms into a product. But in case of inhibition, an inhibitor reacts with the active site, block the active site for the passage of a substrate and does not transform into a product. First type of inhibitor is irreversible inhibitor. They check the reaction rate by occupying the active site or destroying the globular structure of a protein of an enzyme. They normally form a covalent bond or they may physically block the active site. When a normal enzyme, there is a place for a substrate to react with the active site, but when irreversible inhibitor took the place of the active site, then it is impossible for a substrate to get its place in a active site and reaction fails to take place and the product is not formed. In reversible inhibitor, there is a weak linkage with the enzyme. In irreversible inhibitor, there is a covalent bond which is a stronger linkage with the active site of the enzyme. But in the case of a reversible inhibitor, there is a weak linkage with the active site of the enzyme. In reversible inhibitors, the effect of the inhibitor is can be neutralized by increasing the amount of the substrate. When we increase the amount of the substrate, the effect of the reversible inhibitors is neutralized. Reversible inhibitors are further divided into two types: competitive reversible inhibitors and non competitive reversible inhibitors. Competitive inhibitors are the inhibitors which compete with the substrate for their placement in the active site. Because of the structural similarity with the substrate, the binding site of the enzyme select the inhibitor in place of a substrate. We know there are two regions in the active site. One is binding site and the other is the catalytic site. Binding site normally select the substrate for the reaction and the catalytic site catalyzes the reaction or speed up the reaction. In case of the competitive inhibitor, the binding site select the inhibitor in place of the substrate, but they are unable to activate the active site, thus the product is not formed. Because inhibitors are not such like the substrate, so they are unable to activate the active site. And in case of non-competitive inhibitors, they form enzyme inhibitor complex other than the active site. In competitive inhibitors, there is the enzyme inhibitor complex on the active site, but in case of non-competitive inhibitors, there is the enzyme inhibitor complex other than the active site. They alter the structure of the enzyme in such a way that after some time, if the genuine substrate binds the active site, the reaction fails to take place or the catalysis fails to take place. In this picture, both competitive inhibition and non-competitive inhibitions are shown. In case of competitive inhibition, the inhibitor took place in the active site and substrate fails to find its place and the reaction does not proceed. But in case of non-competitive inhibition, the inhibitor took place other than the active site and block the place for the substrate in the active site, so the reaction does not proceed. In case of competitive inhibition, when we increase the amount of the substrate, the inhibitor's effect can be neutralized, but in case of non-competitive inhibition, the inhibitor's effect cannot be neutralized in this way. Hope this will be helpful for you guys. Thank you.